Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to save videos from the Twitter app. Step 1, make sure you have the shortcut apps to your phone. If you don't, download it from the App Store. Step 2, head to your phone settings and tap shortcuts. Toggle the slider to allow untrusted shortcuts. Note, we don't recommend installing untrusted materials on your phone, but this is a common workaround for Twitter videos. Use at your own risk. Step 3, follow this link to Twitter Download V2 and click on the Get Shortcut button. The shortcut to the video downloader will open in Shortcuts. Step 4, tap on Untrusted Shortcut and start downloading videos from Twitter. Step 5, all you need to do is open the Twitter app and find the video you want to download. Step 6, tap the Share button. You'll see an option for Twitter Video Downloader and click it to launch the shortcut. Step 7, tap on the video quality option you want, high, medium, or low. And step 8, check your photo library to ensure the video is correctly downloaded. So you'll need a third-party video downloader to be able to do this. So the Twitter Video Downloader is the video downloader we use in this example. That's it. Thanks for watching.